Okay, so we were talking about Martha and Pedro and hiking. And this is what we had so far. Kind of ignore this right now. We found Martha's pace is 3 miles per hour. Pedro's pace is 4 miles per hour. And we found that by using the slope formula, using 2 points and use the slope formula. So let's see what they're asking you next. So Martha's 3 miles per hour, Pedro's 4 miles per hour. That's their rate of change, their slope. Martha is at the 18-mile marker after 5 hours. Pedro is at the 21-mile marker after 5 hours. So let's talk about how you get that. I went ahead and wrote this out to try to save a little bit of time here. So we were told, we were given this information right here and this one right here. That was in the problem. And if she's moving at a rate of 3 miles per hour, at 4 hours, she'll be 15 miles. At 5 hours, she will be 18 miles. So that's where this came from. And I would encourage you to pause this and write this down. Don't just watch it, because that's not going to help you. You need to write it down also. For Pedro, we were given, actually in the chart that they gave us, after 5 hours, that's 21 miles. And also we could see how that makes sense, because he's moving at a rate of 4 miles per hour. You keep adding 4, and at 5 hours he's 21. So we don't have to make ordered pairs for that. It's already in the chart that they gave us right here. 5 hours, 21 miles. So after 5 hours, they are how many miles apart? Well, 21 minus 18 gives you 3. Okay, and we don't want to start over. I think that's it. Let's continue. I ask you to also watch the review video, so make sure you watch that. I've also asked you to do the practice. I'm going to take a peek at that real quick, only because I have time. I want you to put this in your notebook, and I'll try to do better on my time and not have to make as many videos for the practice, because that's the other thing I asked you to do before you came in, was to do the practice. Excuse me. Okay, so we're looking at Winston's and Car-Mart, 2 auto dealers. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this video, and I'm going to make a separate video just for the practice, so you can only watch that if you need to. Okay.